Now, this is a good example right here of a continuous trade, right? At the end of the day, we don't know what the market is going to do. So we have to do our due diligence and waiting for all our ducks to be in a row. And how I like that to be is I love my super trend, right? I love my fractals. I love my alligator and my stochastic oscillator. They all providing me the direction of the trend, the strength of the trend that gives me confidence in seeing what I see, right? So I have no problem risking $150, right? For the fact that I'm going to benefit $138 for each trade, right? So this is a $570 profit in 2 minutes. You cannot beat this kind of independent income solution. It don't take a lot, but all it takes is for you to try to figure out how you can be consecutive at clearing trades, right? Always having a better probability of clearing the trade, not winning 100%, but having a better probability. Will you lose some? Absolutely. Will you not be confident at first? Yes. But all it takes is a little bit of time and dedication and what you want to do, right? This is why I love one-on-one sessions because it provides an avenue for you to take the time to learn on your time, your schedule. So this way you're not set up with Zooms and having to be at work or other opportunities. This is something that you need nothing and nobody for. All right, I'm about to clear this in like 2 seconds. Cleared it. Amazing. Gotta love it. Let's go.